Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So there's lots of X's in the grid. We've got crucifix, complex, crux and checkbox. I wonder if that's going to be a group. I don't know what would link them other than they all start with C and end with X. Surely there's got to be something more to it than that. So what are we going to do instead? The heart of something, the essence of something. The crux and the substance. Not quite sure that substance really fits, but the other 3 do go together quite nicely, so maybe it's plausible, but I will come back to it. What are we going to do instead? That's kind of the problem. Bullets and arrows are weapons. Okay, that does not help. None of the others are. Something could be involved. It could be elaborate. It could be complex. Or it could be... oh, I don't know. A hybrid? I mean... hybrid doesn't really mean the same as the other things, but it's the best option, isn't it? I'm going to have to go for something. Oh, I'm one away. I mean, maybe Baroque has a meaning that is a synonym for these. Oh, I don't know. Let's go back to these 4 then. Is it substance? Okay, at least it is substance. They mean the core. What next? Maybe an arrow. Well, I was going to say maybe an arrow is a bit of punctuation, just like a hyphen. I suppose you could argue a checkbox is, but I don't like that as a group. What are we going to do instead? Hybrid is a mix of 2 things. Which is sort of, I mean, it could fit into complex, involved and elaborate, but that's what I just tried. I don't know. What's angry got to do with anything? Angry birds? Arrow birds? Is that a thing? I don't think so. So what are we going to do instead? And what does betray have to do with anything? I mean, you could argue that betrayal and crucifix are connected with Jesus, vaguely. Maybe he was angry. I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. I was really close with these 3. I'm convinced it's these 3. Let's try Baroque. It is Baroque. I've never heard of Baroque in the sense of meaning complicated, but at least we got that out of the way. But that was the group that I was close to before. Now we're left with 2 groups that I have not been able to think of a remote connection between. We do have 2 words that begin with C, H, A and B. Maybe there's a C, an H, an A and a B in each group. That would be a bit weird, but it's plausible. I have absolutely no idea. Hybrid engine? Bullet engine? I don't know. Bullet point? I suppose bullets and hyphens and arrows and checkboxes sort of could be lists. They're symbols used in making lists. Okay, fine. I did sort of work that out. And then these 4, goodness knows. They're all cross, of course they are. Hybrid is a cross between 2 things. You can double cross, you can... yeah, okay, fine. So, we did get through that connections game. That was a bit of a surprise. I was completely lost at the start. And in the end, I made just that 1 small error and got through it in 5. Very happy with that, because that wasn't a completely straightforward puzzle. Let me know how you found it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.